Okay, so let's talk about how we're going to split this up among who's going to write the introduction and who is going to write the conclusion. So like I said, guys, you are not going to be sharing the work on these because you cannot work in person together. So you and your partner need to decide who is going to write each which, okay? Again, I cannot stress enough. This is a conversation that you are having with your partner. This is not something like, oh, I want to do this, so I'm going to do the introduction and you're going to do the conclusion. Nope. This is a discussion we're having with our partner, okay? To share the load fairly. You guys have done such an awesome job working in partners. Let's continue that, okay? So here's how you guys can do this. It is very possible if both of you guys are on the document. I'm not quite positive actually, but I think that up here in this corner, sometimes there's a little chat option that you can chat with your partner. The other thing that you can do, and I would suggest this highly, is you can start commenting back and forth. So what you'll do is you'll click insert, comment, and it creates a comment. Okay, so you're going to put a comment, and now it created the comment where my mouse was. So if I didn't want that comment there, and maybe I wanted the comment at the very top for my partner and I to talk about, maybe I'll put my cursor right there and then insert not a link. We'll insert a comment, and I'll say, do you have a preference of which to write? I would like to write the introduction because I have a great idea about how to hook the audience. What do you think? And I can leave a comment there, and then my partner can come in and they can come and they can reply to it. And then we can have a conversation there. In the end, though, for your writing time today, you guys do need to decide who's going to do the introduction and who's going to do the conclusion. So if my introduction was written by my partner, I'm going to put their name there. So that me as your teacher, like me, Senorita Gebhardt, when I'm going through and looking at this, I can say, okay, the partner did this, and down at the bottom, oh, Senorita Gebhardt did that. Your writing time assignment today is to write your introduction and to write your conclusion, and that you need to submit. So if I wrote the conclusion, I'm not going to submit a picture of the introduction because my partner is not, my partner did that part. Here's what I will say. If by 2:00 today, your partner has not written back and forth between you and your partner about who's going to do which part, you may decide what you're going to do. And then the second partner, you're just going to have to come in and see, oh, my partner started an introduction. I have to do the conclusion. Okay. Do not make that decision, though, without having a conversation until 2:00. So today, your writing time is posted below, and you may get started on your introductions and conclusions.